Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn integer multiplication. But first, we need to know what is sign rule. Plus multiply by plus is always a plus. That means a positive number multiplied with another positive number, the resulting number is always positive. Plus into minus equal to minus. That means when we multiply a positive number with a negative number, the resulting number will definitely negative. Similarly, a negative number when multiplied with a positive number is also a negative number. So minus into plus is minus. The next one is minus into minus equal to plus. That means when a negative number multiplied with a negative number is always a positive number. Let's give an example. Plus into plus is plus. As I said, a positive number 4 is multiplied with a positive number 6 is always a positive 24. A positive number 3 is multiplied by negative number 2. It will be negative number and the digits will be multiplied. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus into plus is minus. A negative 4 when multiplied by positive 2, the resulting number will always negative and 4 times 2 is 8. So the digits are multiplied but minus into plus is minus where we are applying the sign rule. A negative number 4 and negative number 2. We know minus into minus is plus. That means the resulting number will be positive and 4 times 2 is 8. So this is an example about how we are going to apply the sign rule. Let's do some problem. Evaluate. Negative 11 into positive 9. We know minus into plus is minus. That means a negative number multiplied with a positive number, the resulting number will be negative. So here will be minus and 11 into 9 is 99. Let's go to the next example. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 12. Minus into minus is plus. Our sign rule says when a negative number is multiplied with another negative number, the resulting number is a positive. And 7 times 12 is 84. Next example. Minus 6 multiplied by positive 4. When we know that minus into plus is minus, the sign rule says when a negative number is multiplied with a positive number, the resulting number will be negative. So here the resulting number will be negative and let's multiply the digits. 6 times 4 is 24. Now let's do a little complex problems. Positive 8 multiplied by negative 6 multiplied by negative 3. So let's do left to right. 8 multiplied by negative 6 plus into minus is minus. 8 times 6 is 48. We did the first step into minus 3. Now the sign rule says a negative number multiplied with a negative number, the resulting number will be positive. And 48 times 3 is 144. So 144 is the answer. Next, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. As you see, all the integers are same. which is multiplied. So we can say minus 3 to the power 4. Now here I would like to mention when is a negative number is multiplied the power n will be 1 if n is even, equal to minus 1 if n is odd. Let's give an example. Minus 2 to the power 2. Minus 2 is a negative integer and 2 is an even number. So minus 2 to the power 2 is minus 2 into minus 2, that is positive 4. But if minus 2 to the power of 3, that means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Let's apply the sign rule. Minus into minus is plus, and plus into minus is minus. So the resulting number will be minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So you see, when you multiply a negative integer with an even power, the resulting number is positive. When a negative integer, when a negative integer is multiplied with the odd power, the resulting number will be negative. So let's get back to the original problem. Minus 3 to the power 4. As 4 is an even number, the resulting number definitely positive, and 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So positive 81 is the answer of this problem. Minus 3 into 6 into 6. So minus into plus, let's do left to right. Minus into plus is minus. 3 times 6 is 18 into 6. Now minus 18 plus 6, resulting number will be minus, and 18 into 6 is 108. Move on to our next problem. 3 into 3 into minus 1. If nothing is there, we can assume this is multiplication. 3 into 3 into minus 1 into 3. Let's go left to right. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into minus 1 into 3. Plus 9 minus 1 is minus 9 into 3. Minus 9 plus 3. Resulting number will be negative. 9 times 3 is 27. Let's talk about the difference between a parenthesis minus 4 whole square versus minus 4 whole square. As you see, here there's a parenthesis, and here there's a minus, but there's no parenthesis. Now let's talk about what this parenthesis actually mean. Minus 4 square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus is plus, 4 into 4 is 16. So parenthesis minus 4 whole square is equal to positive 16. But minus 4 square, that means minus 4 into 4. Minus will be as it is, 4 into 4 is 16. So see, by using the parenthesis, there is two different value we can get. This concept is very important to later on when you learn algebra. What is difference between minus 4 parenthesis whole square versus minus 4 whole square. Give you another example. Minus 6 parenthesis minus 6 whole square. That is minus 6 into minus 6. Minus into minus is plus, 6 into 6 is 36. But here minus 6 square, that is minus 6 into 6, that means minus 36. Let's evaluate this. 3 by 4 whole square. 3 by 4 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3 and 4 into 4. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 by 4 is 16. So 9 by 16. But here, minus 2 by 5 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. And the denominator is 5 into 5 into 5. Minus 2 by 5 whole cube. As you see, the negative integer 3 is an odd number. The resulting number will be definitely negative. And let's multiply the digit. 2 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So those are the very important concept. What is the difference between minus 4 parenthesis minus 4 whole square versus minus 4 whole square? In this video, we learned a very important part, that when a negative integer multiplied with a positive power, like an even power, the resulting number will be always a positive. But when a negative integer multiplied with a odd power, the resulting number will be negative. So these are the important concepts we learned in this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.